Hey everyone, and welcome back to Speak Anglo.
If this is your first time here, hi, welcome. And if you've seen our first two videos, welcome back. This is actually our third video, and we're really glad you're here.
Yeah, seriously, we're here for one reason, to really help you feel comfortable speaking English.
No pressure, no exams, no scary grammar rules.
Just real, everyday English, spoken slowly, clearly, and naturally.
And quick reminder, if you want to improve your English just by listening, subscribe and stay with us.
Even if you're cooking, walking, or just relaxing, listening helps more than you think.
And remember our promise here at Speak Anglo.
English learning is going to be fun, natural, and simple.
A lot of people struggle with English, but it really doesn't need to be hard.
You listen, you repeat, and slowly it starts to feel natural.
Just listen, repeat, and it sticks.
In our first videos, we focused on phrases and replies.
Today, we're taking the next step, questions.
Because questions are what usually make people freeze.
You hear a question, your mind goes blank.
And suddenly, you forget all your English.
So today, we're fixing that.
We'll show you common English questions
And simple, natural answers you can actually use.
Short answers are okay.
Simple answers are okay.
Let's keep it relaxed.
All right, let's get started.
1. How are you?
Okay, this is probably the most common English question ever.
And it's also the one people overthink the most.
Someone smiles and asks, "How are you?"
You do not need a long life story.
Native speakers usually answer very simply.
Examples like, I'm good, I'm fine, I'm doing well.
And those are perfect. You can stop right there.
But if you want to sound a little more natural, you can add one small word.
Things like, "I'm good, thanks." "I'm fine, thank you."
Or even, good, thanks.
Yeah, native speakers shorten it all the time.
And sometimes people add a friendly return question.
Like, "I'm good, how about you?" "I'm fine, and you?"
That's it, no pressure.
Short, friendly, very natural.
And remember, when someone asks, how are you, they're usually just being polite.
So simple answers are exactly what they expect.
You'll hear this one a lot.
At work, school, or when you're meeting new people.
Someone asks, where are you from?
And the good news is, your answer can be very simple.
Examples like, I'm from Brazil. I'm from Japan.
You might also hear answers like, "I'm from the United States." "I'm from Germany." "I'm from France." "I'm from Italy."
Short country names are completely fine.
You don't need to explain your whole background.
If the person is curious, they'll ask more. But most of the time, this simple answer is perfect. 3. What do you do?
This question means, "What's your job?"
And again, short answers are perfect.
Examples like, "I'm a student." "I work in retail." "I'm a teacher."
You can also use very common jobs that everyone recognizes.
For example, "I'm a doctor." "I'm a lawyer." "I'm a police officer." "I'm a nurse."
You don't need fancy job titles or long explanations.
Simple English is better than complicated English.
If someone wants more details, they'll ask. Until then, short and clear is perfect. 4. How long have you been here?
This one sounds scary, but it's not. People are just asking about time, how long you've been in a place, at a job, or even in a city.
You can answer very simply. Examples like, I've been here for 2 years. I've been here a few months.
Or even short and casual. Not long, just a little while.
You can also be a little more specific if you want. I've been here since January. I've been here almost a year.
And if it's really recent, you can even say, "I just arrived. Today is my first day."
All of these are totally normal and natural in conversation.
Remember, people asking this just want a quick answer, not a life story.
Short, clear, friendly. That's all you need. 5. Do you like it here?
Very common question. People ask this all the time when you're in a new place or city.
And the good news is, your answer can be very simple.
Examples like, "Yes, I like it." "Yeah, it's nice."
Or if you're being honest but still polite, it's okay. It's different.
You can also give a little extra if you want to sound friendly. "I like it so far." "Yeah, it's really nice here." "It's a bit different, but I like it."
See? Just a few words, no pressure to sound super excited.
And sometimes people answer with a tiny joke too, like, not bad, for now.
Friendly, natural, and very human. That's all English really needs to be. 6. What are you doing today?
This one is very casual. People usually ask just to start a conversation.
Yeah, sometimes they don't really want a long answer. They just want to chat.
Simple answers work best. Examples like, I'm working, I'm studying, not much.
Not much is super common, and it sounds natural in everyday English.
You can also say something a bit more detailed if you feel like it. I'm going shopping. I'm meeting a friend later. I'm just relaxing at home.
Or even short and playful. Trying to survive the day. Just taking it easy. See? Casual, friendly, and very human. That's exactly the tone you want. Keep it simple and the conversation flows naturally. 7. Have you been here before?
This question comes up a lot when you're traveling, visiting a new city, or even trying a new restaurant.
And the best thing is, simple answers work perfectly.
For example, yes, I have. No, this is my first time.
You can also add a tiny extra detail if you want to sound a bit more natural. Yes, I've been here a few times. No, I just got here.
Or even casual. Nope, first time here. Yeah, a couple of times before.
See? Short, friendly, and it keeps the conversation flowing.
And don't worry about over-explaining. Simple is always better in English.
8. What do you like to do?
This question is about hobbies or things you enjoy doing in your free time.
And don't worry, you don't need to sound interesting or impressive.
Simple answers work perfectly. Examples like, I like watching movies. I like music. I like going to the gym.
You can also mention things a little more specific if you want. I like playing football. I enjoy reading books. I like cooking new recipes.
Or even really casual hobbies like, I like taking walks. I like hanging out with friends. I enjoy listening to podcasts.
The key is to keep it simple and natural. People just want to know what you enjoy, not your whole life.
Short, clear, friendly, that's all it takes to sound like a native speaker.
9. Are you busy?
This is a very common question in daily life. Friends, colleagues, even strangers might ask.
And the good news is, your answers can be short and simple.
Examples like, a little, not really, yeah, a bit.
You can also add a tiny extra if you want to sound more natural. Just a little. Not too much today. Yeah, a bit, but I can talk.
Or playful, always busy, trying to survive the day.
See? Short, friendly, and very natural English.
Keep it simple and people will understand you perfectly.
10. Can I ask you a question?
This one is very polite and comes up a lot when someone wants to start a conversation or ask for help.
Yeah, it's usually followed by, well, another question. Your answer can be very short and friendly. For example, sure, of course.
Or even a little more casual depending on who's asking. Go ahead, sure, no problem.
See? Friendly and easy. You don't need to overthink it.
And if you want, you can add a tiny smile in your tone. It makes it feel natural.
Exactly. Polite, relaxed, and it keeps the conversation flowing.
Remember, English is about being clear and friendly, not complicated. And that's it. Common English questions with simple, real answers.
No long sentences.
No pressure to have perfect grammar.
Just real conversation, the way people actually speak every day.
If you watched our first 2 videos, this is the next step in building your confidence.
And if this helped you even a little, like this video. Stay with us, subscribe, and keep learning naturally.
And don't forget there's going to be a part 2 coming soon with even more common English questions and answers.
Try using these phrases today. Ask your friends or practice out loud by yourself.
Remember, English learning is going to be fun, natural, and simple. A lot of people struggle, but it really doesn't need to be hard.
You listen, you repeat, and slowly it starts to feel natural.
Just listen, repeat, and it sticks.
We're here to really help every step of the way.
See you in the next one.